I have no idea why I thought this video was a good idea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn Brooke. I'm a hairstylist and salon owner in Western North Carolina, and I help hairstylists to act like a business so that they can get paid like a business. And in today's video, I am going deep diving into my finances and showing you exactly what it costs to be a six-figure hairstylist and how much I spend in a typical restock day as a hairstylist and salon owner in a small town in North Carolina. If that's something that you're interested in watching, then give this video a thumbs up and follow along as I spent all my money today. Right, so we made it out of Salon Centric and got these 2 tiny bags and then 1 bottle of developer and spent a whopping $501. Alright, so $500 at Salon Centric, and now we're going to head over to Cosmoprof, Target, and possibly Ulta because I need a couple things for a wedding that I'm doing, and hopefully that will be it for the money spending today. So let's go on over to Cosmoprof and see what we can do there. Alright, so I was supposed to go to Cosmoprof, but unfortunately they were out of literally everything that I needed, so I'm going to place that order online and give you guys the total at the end, and we'll just go ahead and head on over to Target since this stop was a bust. Okay, so we've made it to Target. We're almost finished with our spending for the day, but I'm gonna go in and get a couple things. We need drinks and laundry detergent. I think that should be it. Maybe some snacks for our guests. Other than that, we pretty much got everything. All of our toiletries are sent to us directly from Amazon, but I'll make sure that none of those went through today so I can be an accurate what I spend in a day as a hairstylist. However, I am probably gonna grab a Starbucks while I'm in there because I cannot refrain myself. So Graham Stephan, if you ever watch this video, don't kill me. So I got some drinks and some detergent. I ended up not getting any snacks for the salon because I didn't feel like we needed anything right now. And I think that was it that I got. And it ended up being $73. So love that for us because that was really expensive for drinks. So now we're gonna head on over to Ulta and do our last stop of the day. Alright, we're finished at Target and I ended up spending way more than I thought that I was going to. I probably should stop going to Target for these kinds of things because I ended up spending $73.17 on literally just drinks, detergent, and bleach. So that is really expensive for what I got, but you know, it is what it is. We didn't end up needing to get any snacks, so that's fine. And we're gonna head on over to Ulta for the last stop of the day and then add up all that I've spent. Okay, we are out of Ulta and I did exactly what I said I was going to do and I only bought one thing. I got this blush, which is what I needed for the wedding this weekend, so I'm super excited that I was able to get it in stock, and I only spent $26.51 at Ulta, so that makes me feel so much better than all the rest of the stores that we spent money at today. So we're gonna go ahead and go home and we'll add up exactly how much I spent for the entire day and kind of talk through, is this a typical day or is this just like a once in a lifetime kind of thing, so you can see exactly how much it actually costs to be a hairstylist. Alright guys, we're back at home and it is time for the final number. I'm a little bit nervous about this because honestly this was a pretty big spend day, but when I really look back at my numbers, this is typically what my days look like on every single Monday when I am restocking the salon. Being a hairdresser is extremely expensive and no one really understands that, and so that's why I wanted to do a video like this so that you could really see that too. So I went to Cosmoprof online, placed a really small order, and my total was $196.50. So that being said, our total for the entire day ended up being $797.18. And unfortunately that is what a typical Monday looks like for us. So if anyone ever tries to come at you for your pricing of your services, then just show them this video and we can all cry together. Thankfully all of these are business expenses and they can be write-offs, so that's a thumbs up for me. But if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give me a like so I know you enjoy this type of content. And if you enjoy finance and business tips for hairdressers, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. Hope you guys have a great week.